Good afternoon. Going to give you an update here today on my surgery and our upcoming trips and the recent events. I'm up in Michigan now at my brother's place, trying to get my head on right. Just came from my folks' place down in Tennessee. Staying here. Keith's got a place here in Cadillac, and it's pretty nice. It's out here in the woods, and Sheila and Dennis stopped down. We went had dinner the other night at Gino's in Kopmish. Had a little fish fry. It was pretty good. Going this weekend to see Lynn and Dick and Josh in Elk Rapids. That should be a good time. We do some wine tasting. Then we're headed next weekend, headed back, and then be back here. That's Sunday. And then we're headed over, my brother and I, Keith, we're headed over to see our other brother, Steve, over in Caseville. Hopefully we can get some fishing in, and it's the Cheeseburger Festival in Caseville, Michigan. So that should be a good time. I'll come back here for a few days and then head down to Jeremy and April's and see Luke and James, take them over to Cedar Point. Charmaine wanted to do that trip, so we're going to follow through with it. And then from there on back home, probably stop and see Scott and Yelena, and then back home. And in September, we're going to fly over and see Mike and Janet over in England, and then fly from there to Barcelona, get on the Vision, and sail back to Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and 13-day cruise, and we loved that last year. That was a great cruise. And in November, along with Donna and Roger and Dean and Valerie, we're going to go on the Harmony November 3rd out of Orlando, a 7-day cruise. Just want to see the Harmony and see what the big fuss is all about, the big ship. On the medical front, I just got back from my doctor's for the 6-month checkup on the prostate surgery, and he did the PSA and it came back 0, so not detected. So it's good news. The incontinence issue's taken care of itself. After the infection got taken care of in mid-May, my body's been able to handle it from there, so everything's been fine. Been a little tender at times, but getting out and walking and exercising every day, so that seems to be coming along great. Charmaine never had a doubt. So on the medical front, doing well. The traveling front, we're going to keep doing some cruises. We'll see how it goes, see how the videos go. 2020, we're lining up a few cruises already for 2020. In February, we're looking at doing a back-to-back on the Vision out of Puerto Rico down to Barbados. I think it starts February the 8th, and then we're also going to stay on for February the 15th. Mark and Elisa are going to join us on the second leg. Dean and Valerie are going to be on both legs, and I'm hoping my brother Keith's going to come with me on both of those. So should be a good time, so stay tuned for those cruises, and we'll see how it all works out. I hope to keep the channel running, and the travel videos coming, and I hope you continue to enjoy them. I know I do, so we have a pretty good time. So also wish to thank everyone for their kind words of condolence and sympathy during this tough period of my life. Thank you very much. They were very appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.